Welcome to Consult Advisor, an ICT consulting services company. This video tutorial shows you how to access Outlook Calendar and explore its main features. Let's begin by accessing Outlook Calendar. First, open your browser. I will open Google Chrome. Search for Outlook.com. Once the page opens, you will notice that there are two ways to sign in. You can either use the Sign In option at the top right, or the one shown in the middle of the page. For this tutorial, I will use the option in the middle. If Outlook suggests any other account that was already used before, choose Use Another Account. Then enter the email address. And click Next. Type the password. And click Sign In. You may then be asked if you want to stay signed in. If you are using your own personal computer, you can choose Yes. If you are using a public or shared computer, it is better to choose No. For now, I will click the No button. After signing in, Outlook opens in the Mail view. From the left panel, we can access different Microsoft applications. To open the calendar, we click on it here. Now let us look at the calendar interface. At the top left, we have the three-line menu. This lets us hide or show the left panel. At the top, we also have the Home and View tabs. Inside View, we can choose how the calendar is displayed. We can view it by day, which shows one day at a time. For example, if we are on Monday, we can use the arrows to move to Tuesday or any other day. We also have Work Week, which shows working days only and hides weekend days. Later in the settings, we can choose which days count as work days. Next, we have Week, which shows the full week including weekends. And then Month, which shows the whole month view, and we can click on these arrows to move to other months. There is also Saved Views, which lets you quickly return to display layouts you have already saved. We also have Split View. This is useful when more than one calendar is selected, because it lets us compare calendars side by side. For example, let's select the calendar here. Notice that the split view is now on and we can see both selected calendars on the screen. We can turn it off or on by clicking on the split view button, but only after selecting two calendars. Or we can unselect one calendar so that we close the split view. We also have the filter option, which helps us display only certain type of events, such as meetings or anything else we have. And we can also see calendar settings, which we will explain later in the second video. On the left side, we can see the small monthly calendar. This helps us move quickly between dates and months using these two arrows on its top right. We can also hide or show this mini calendar using the small arrow beside it. Now let's create a new calendar. Click on Add Calendar. Here Outlook gives us several options. The first option lets us add personal calendars, such as calendars from Outlook or Gmail. Another option is Edit My Calendars. If we select one of our existing calendars, here we have 4 calendars. Let's choose the Schedule calendar. We can change its name, color, or charm. For example, I will change its color to this dark red color. Anytime you make changes here, do not forget to save before closing. We scroll down and click the Save button. Now let's create a blank calendar. Click on Create Blank Calendar button. Then select a charm. Choose a color. And give the calendar a name. For this example, I will name it Studying. And keep it under My Calendars. Then click Save. The other options, such as adding from a directory or uploading a calendar that you already have, are available too. Now we can see that the studying calendar was created successfully. And when we choose Show All, we can view the available calendars on the left side. You may also notice a section called Groups, which we will mention in the next video. For more video tutorials, visit our channel.